I looked into the NutraBoost Nail Fungus Treatment, and honestly, it raises several concerns you should know before buying. The product claims to eliminate nail fungus quickly, restore nail color, and strengthen new growth, but the website barely provides any real ingredient details or clinical evidence. Without clear formulas or testing information, it's hard to trust any of those promises. When I checked customer reviews, most of the positive ones felt suspiciously generic, with repeated wording across different sites. That's usually a sign of manufactured feedback rather than real users. Meanwhile, independent reviewers mentioned slow results, watery consistency, and bottles that don't match the promotional images. Some people even said the product arrived without proper labels. Another red flag is the marketing style. Heavy discounts, countdown timers, and limited stock warnings. These tactics are common among short-lived health product brands that disappear after a few months. The company behind NutraBoost also provides very little transparency. No verified address, no manufacturing standards, and no third-party testing. So is NutraBoost Nail Fungus Treatment legit? You'll likely receive something, but its effectiveness is questionable, and the lack of transparency is a major issue. If you're dealing with nail fungus, it's safer to use products with proven antifungal ingredients and verified customer results.